Welcome back guys to another Zero DTE video, and today Coach Ernie is going to be talking about BAF trades, so make sure you stay tuned. If you're interested in becoming a pro trader, check out the link in the description to find Coach Ernie's Skool Community. Enjoy guys.
Generally, for the big ass fly, that's where I've made my most consistent profits, is taking profits early, managing the profits. And taking anywhere from 25 to 50% profit has been almost 100% winner for me. And that's hard to argue with.
Yeah, that's why I got out. I got burned once, and I just said, I'm just taking it. And I posted it in the Discord. It wasn't a huge win, but yeah, I would still be in the 10 if I stayed in, but I took it and just got out.
Yeah, there was good reason to stay in for me, except for the fact that I couldn't watch it. And I keep on emphasizing that this trade is a dual trade. You're looking for that initial boost in the morning, and then that's great. If you just stuck to that and you were making, I don't know, 15 to 25% on your risk, then this trade is a huge winner and very high probability. If you take it into the market, then it becomes a different trade. There's way more risk, but there's way more opportunity too. And as long as you stay in the middle, staying with it is a good idea. But in order to really truly take advantage of it, the market you have to be in it for another couple of hours. And I wasn't willing to spend that extra time today. If you look back at all of my big ass fly trades, most of them have resulted in about a $250 to $700 win. For me, that's right around that, because I'm taking 2 contracts too on the SPX. So that's right around that nice sweet spot, around 15%. And only a few times have I gone into plus $1,000 or higher. I've never taken it to the end of the day. I always get stopped out. Not stopped out, but hit my profit management target or tolerance. And with that, I've kept about an 85% win rate. And so my average winner to average loser is really high. Maybe I could loosen it up a little bit, but
why?
That's what I'm thinking. Why?
It's working for you. If
Exactly.
it ain't broke.
Yeah. So I don't. So that's the way I trade it. And that's the way I recommend to trade it. It is a highly profit managed trade. And you really have to have a really good reason to go into the second part of the trade. So in other words, the market isn't showing a lot of movement and you're sitting right there in the center strike, and there's really not a lot of reason to get out.
Thanks for watching guys, I hope you enjoyed the video, and if you did, make sure you hit the subscribe button and the like button below. If you're interested in becoming a pro trader, remember to check out the link in the description for Ernie's Skool Community.